Hey you guys, good morning and peace and love. Basking in the sunlight this morning as we talk about Think and Grow Rich today. Chapter 2. We went over chapter 1, which was Inner Space, the Final Frontier. Chapter 1 was talking about your mind and meditation and that. So chapter 2 is called Imagination, Ideas in Action. Okay? As the title says, imagination and ideas come from your mind. Okay, so in the first chapter, we're going to strengthen our mind. In the second chapter, we're going to expand our imagination and expand our minds in that way. Because as it says, though, the whole thing is like everything starts with your imagination. Before you can even have an idea, first you have to imagine. You just have to imagine anything. And it's hard to say imagine this, imagine that, because it's imagine everything. Everything we see here started in somebody's imagination. You know what I mean? Okay, for example, this water bottle is stainless steel. Somebody had the idea to create a bottle that keeps your water cold for hours, that's not bad for you like plastic is, that's reusable. This started up in somebody's mind, and then they stayed with it. Thought about it, developed it every day, and now we have these bottles here. And then they continue to expand because these bottles, I got gold because I like gold, but it comes in so many colors, okay? But before you could have even one color, they had to have the idea, okay? With that being said, I'm going to read a quote from Napoleon Hill. It says, "The imagination is the workshop of the soul, wherein are shaped all plans for individual achievement. Man's greatest gift is his mind, or her mind. It analyzes, compares, chooses. It creates, visualizes, foresees, and generates ideas. Imagination is your mind's exercise. It challenges and is the mirror of your soul." Yeah, our minds do great things, you guys. But the last part where it says is the mirror of your soul, I think that if your imagination, you can't imagine, then you really do get stagnant, okay? For some reason, adults get to a certain age and they stop imagining, and then that's when it's just kind of like, oh God, being a grown-up sucks because you're not using your imagination. Your imagination belongs to you. Use it. Where do ideas come from? They say that ideas are the most important things on earth, says Earl Nightingale. Each of us has his own idea factory, okay? But Napoleon Hill labels your idea power, he names it infinite intelligence, okay? Infinite intelligence is where the ideas come from. Spiritually, I think we could break down infinite intelligence just because the word infinite really means something. But we're just not going to go there. We're just going to stay with this book right here because it's not about me. Okay? After he talks about infinite intelligence, it says, riches, you will find, often depend on infinite intelligence. A single idea or spark can revolutionize your life. A single idea can lead you to great wealth, fame, or fortune, or it can bury you in despair, okay? So it's like, what are your ideas producing? Are you thinking about the worst thing that could happen? Is your imagination thinking about the worst? Like they say, worrying is praying for what you don't want, okay? So if your imagination is going there, then that's what's going to manifest, okay? So keep your imagination up. Keep it up on positivity and things that you want to see, okay? There's the characteristics of infinite intelligence. I'm going to do that so you can pause and read if you can, hopefully, because I can't read all this. But I'm just going to go down them real quick, okay? Number 1, infinite intelligence is the source of all pure creativity. It is the source of all inspiration and intuition, visions and dreams, okay? Infinite intelligence works best with clear, specific goals, okay? So, yeah, you're having these ideas, but clarify it. What exactly do you want to do, okay? Infinite intelligence grows in power as it is used and believed in, okay? It operates best with an attitude of confident expectation. This is the psychic fuel that feeds this principle. So you got to be confident that this is what I'm going to create. I'm going to create the most awesome water bottle ever. And then they did, because this really is awesome. When you receive, okay, so your thinking, your ideas, right? When you receive answers, when you receive your ideas, you must take action immediately, okay? Lost ideas may be difficult to recover. Write them down whenever they occur. So write down your ideas, okay? And it responds to emotionalized commands, affirmations, whether they are positive or negative. And infinite intelligence brings into reality any thought, goal, plan, or idea held within your conscious mind. Infinite intelligence is capable of goal-oriented motivation and will release ideas for goal attainment. So as you think, as you work your infinite intelligence, then more ideas are going to come that's going to help you to build your idea. It's going to just manifest. Okay, and then there's a story here from Slavery to Riches about Alonzo F. Herndon, who started as a slave and then built an empire, starting from a lot of hustles. Actually, cutting hair though is really what he did, and then it turned into a insurance agency. Okay, the black man must possess dreams and visions if he really desires to do anything in a big way. Okay, so you gotta dream big. Okay, like my father says, dream as big as you can. Okay, really in your mind, like the only limits are what can actually be done and what you can think about. Because ideas are the most important things on earth. It says that. Okay, and there's I don't want to make this video too long. I always say that, but there's a little bit more. It says, wherever you find prosperity and leadership, you will find an individual who has mastered the following characteristics or following qualities. So for prosperity and leadership, these are the qualifications, okay? These are the qualities. Relaxation, you can't be stressed out, okay? And then visualization, you got to be able to see what you want to create. Affirmations, tell yourself every day, this is what I'm going to do, this is what I'm going to create. Take advantage of ideas as they come and evaluate your ideas. Okay? I'm going to read this last part. Evaluate your ideas. Once you have finished brainstorming, become selective. Decide which ideas are sound and implementable. You will realize that each idea breeds additional ideas. A few moments of introspection will foster enough possibilities to last a lifetime, okay? So don't stop thinking, okay? Enhance your creativity through visualization because everything begins in the mind. Okay, guys? And here we go. You can imagine success. You can manifest, imagine success. Oh, the law of life. You move in the direction of your dominant thought. Okay? Remember, what the mind of man can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Okay? So I'm just going to end on this note. Do not hesitate to dream. Build your dreams. Nurture your dreams. Lean on your dreams in times of difficulty. But once having dreams, believe in your dreams, visualize them as having already been fulfilled, okay? Ideas are created by infinite intelligence and manifested through you, okay? And manifested through me, okay? It's our dreams and what we want to do in our ideas that can really take us forward, okay? So we want our mind to be on the track of achievement. We want our minds to be on the track of what we can contribute to the world, what problems we can solve in this world, okay? Or solve in our household, or solve in our own personal life. And then just keep thinking about that and don't stop thinking. If you really want to think and grow rich, you got to believe that you can, okay? That's the end of this video, and I hope everybody watched this, got something out of it, because I know I did, okay? Thank you for watching, you guys. Please subscribe to this channel or give me a thumbs up, and peace and love.